Okay. Don't like I'm in here, but I'm in here. We live today. Welcome back. Money Talk Show TV watching Palantir. Doing a little options trading today. Let's see if we can make that money talk. Even though I don't see myself. Okay, it's just a whole different one. Okay, that didn't work out right. The schedule stream didn't work out, but we still live somewhere in here. And let's get it going. Palantir moving and booming today. Up 6% today. Oh, and them options on Palantir is up 100 and something percent today. Okay, 100 and something percent today on the options for Palantir. So she moving. So if you'd have gotten this options trade yesterday, you'd be up 100%. Okay, 100%. I don't know why folks can't understand what the numbers mean. You know what I mean? 100%. That mean you put 500, you might be at a stack. Something ain't go right. Gotta use that brain, that noggin. But Palantir is sitting at 1782. It's that little lunchtime, that little low lunchtime season. What's going on? So it's just she right now. She just been consolidating, just waiting the bus. Waiting to bust. And reasons why. For one, she got the earnings call coming up. Earnings call coming up on Palantir real soon. So you might not want to miss that. Sometimes I'll be playing the earnings calls. Sometimes you play the momentum, volume. You know, it's just a whole many different ways to play and make money. Something ain't right. Okay, I can't get the Instagram up in there. Ain't got nobody on the YouTube, nobody on the Facebook Live, but we here. Enjoying this wonderful, blessed day. Crypto. Definitely doing this thing. It's falling like a motherfucker right now. Crypto falling high, boy. Bitcoin sitting at 40K. Like she about ready to drop. Oh, she about got slapped in the face with a bag of nickels, boy. Bitcoin looking hot. Sorry. She down in the ground. But I'm still gonna be still messing around with her. I believe in crypto. Crypto is definitely a game changer, a revolutionary, an insight, a new way of changing and moving big money, fast money. You see, I got the Shiba It new, cause my Shiba It new hit a little different and do what it do. Okay. Talk about that crypto options trading, making money on the Money Talk Show TV. That's what we talking about. We talk about financial decisions, money making moves. And me watching that Palantir right now. She's looking at 6% up. She definitely finna make a move. The volume on it is 58 million right now, with an average of 44 volume. We got the earnings call coming up. Excuse my loud keyboard. I'm trying to fix this whole YouTube situation up in here, because for some reason I had a live that didn't go right. Then I got another one and that didn't go right, but we still gonna get it. We gonna get it. We in here, ain't giving up. In here, and look at Palantir. She trying to bust. I told y'all she gonna bust. Bust it wide open to the white meat. Gonna bust it wide open to the white meat. Bust it wide open to the white meat. And I can't see none of the what's going on. But we in here. Tried to go live on IG, that didn't work. But we still live on the Facebook. We still live on the YouTube. And I told y'all about Palantir and them options being up 100%. And look at her, she moving. Go ahead and get a little music for her. Cause you know what I'm saying? We down a little too low right now. You know what I'm saying? She moving up. The options trading is looking good. I told y'all, getting this game. Stop playing games. Let's go ahead and see what the options is looking like. Oh. Up the 200% today. Palantir. Okay. Now for disclaimer, never financial advice. Just let you know where I'm going and what I'm doing in the stock market. You know, you can do what you do, but I'm gonna do what I'm doing. But right now, I ain't got them options on that. Palantir up little 200%. I ain't saying I'm up 200% today, but the Palantir option is up 200% today. Okay, you see it right there. She making moves. She doing what she do, and the reason why, cause she got earnings calls coming up. Palantir is a beast in the game. You see what I'm saying? Beast in the game. You got to get that money. You see she at 200%. Who making 200% in a day? Who making 200% in a day? Where can you go and take 200% in a day? And y'all still playing games. Y'all still watching the other bullshit. Y'all still trying to work 9 to 5 every single day. Like them folks love you. They want you broke. They want you to keep paying them taxes. They want you to go ahead and get down in the hole. Go ahead and get your bills fucked up and even a little more. Go ahead so you can work that overtime. We need that. You helping build them up. You ain't got time for that. Go and build yourself up. Create something for yourself. A little wealth for your family. And this is a one way that I love it. And ain't never been taught to us. It ain't been around the block. It's been hidden like a mysterious island. And y'all folks still scared. Them folks survived on Gilligan's Island. They still made it do what it do. They still made it work with what they had. Ready? You ain't got nothing, you do nothing, you gotta get something. If you ain't out here trying to get something, you gotta get what you're doing. But there's so many ways that you can make money in this stock market. And one of my favorite is options trading. Options trading is like gambling. Okay, like gambling, you betting pretty much. You betting, you gambling. You go into the casino, you putting your numbers on this and that. What options trading is, broke it down in layman's terms. You bet that your stock gonna go that way in a certain amount of time. Like, you know, you betting on the Super Bowl coming up. You bet your team gonna win by a certain amount of points within the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter. Look at it like that. So right now, I'm playing and I'm betting on Palantir. Okay, Palantir, I bet she gonna do what it do. I think she might hit that whole $18. She want to touch the $18. That's what she want to do. She want to touch the 18, and she playing games. She looks scared right now. You know what I'm saying? But she just building up, doing what she got to do. When she hit the 18, I got my price target that I want to get out of my call options that's up right now. Okay, I ain't trying to be greedy. I'm trying to feed the needy, but I ain't finna be greedy. Okay, because you gotta watch out. It's very risky. I need my little risky thing down there at the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Let you know that this is a risky game. This ain't no, you know, I'm just gonna put a little $5 here, a little $10 there. Go ahead, keep playing game. Put $5 to $10 if you want to. You know what I'm saying? Why you gonna put $5, $10 in when you make 200% in a day? That don't make no motherfucking sense. Come on, man, what you doing? You know what I'm saying? If you make 100, 50%, 20%, why you gonna put $5, $10 on it? Man, go on put that 100, go on put that 200, go on make that money, and go on put that 500, go on get them stacks in the racks, and go on do what it do. Cause you see, she pumping, she dumping, and there's so many ways. Now you'd have bet yesterday, you'd have been even way better. If you'd have bet, was that my bad, not yesterday, Friday, last trading day, somewhere around in here, you'd been Friday, you'd about that guy right in here. What time was that? About 11:30, somewhere before lunchtime. You had placed your nice little option on that. That guy was sitting at $16. When you come up Monday morning, you wake up and you look at your account and it's looking at that little lovely extra 200% gain. You feel some kind of way. It make you feel a little different. You know what I'm saying? Make you feel a little special. Like what? Oh, okay. You know what I'm saying? You gotta feel a little special. You know what I'm saying? If you don't feel special, I don't know, something wrong with you. If you want to go work 9 to 5, see how much they're gonna give you. 200% on your money. They ain't gonna give you shit, homeboy. They're gonna tell you go ahead and grind. Need to work a little harder. We need our money up out your boot. We need that money. We need our time. We need all that. So make it for yourself, man. Get this money, make that money, flip that money, invest that money. Crypto is gonna be the future. You playing games if you ain't got a little crypto. They got Bitcoin ATMs out everywhere, homeboy. Bitcoin ATMs everywhere. All them Bitcoin ATM machines, you think them big folks put all that money in the Bitcoin ATM machines and they ain't finna get they revenue back? They ain't finna get they Skrilla back? Cause you goofy as hell. They gonna get their money back. They ain't putting that shit out there for no reason. They putting it out there ahead of time. Same way with the EV charging stations. I know EV is having a bad little session right now. They're getting broke down. You know what I'm saying? Hertz selling 20,000 vehicles, EVs. Elon Musk still races. You know what I'm saying? They couldn't even charge their cars up in the shy in the wintertime. Probably can't charge them up right now. But they gonna fix that. Might not be this year. But 5-10 years from now, best believe they're gonna be on point. They already testing out charging stations on the road in certain states. So you think all this money getting put in ain't gonna get a backflip? Them folks put in big money to make bigger money, and they putting their money right now in EV. And big folks putting their money in the crypto. Sheba Inu hit a little different, okay? So what you doing? You still at work? You still just paying the bills? Still going to the club stunting in front? If you so, I mean, go ahead. Keep on waiting. Don't be asking none of my motherfucker Bitcoin 10 years from now when you sitting there and everybody got to have Bitcoin just to even operate. You need at least a little Bitcoin just to get you an apartment. Okay? Keep playing games. Let's get back to this Palantir option trade. And today's live video is how to make money in the stock market with trading options. Okay? You can make money when the stock market going up. You can make money when the stock market going down. You can even make money when the stock market even just like this. Ain't doing nowhere. Just going just back forth right now. That's what that's called, consolidation. When it's just ain't little baby pumps. But when you get into this motherfucker right here, we talking, big change. We talking 200%, 100%, 70% on your money. So why don't you learn this shit? Why don't you get in this shit? Why don't you find out and do what it gotta do? Okay? I said I wasn't gonna be trying to cuss, but apparently I can't, talk normal and be professional and speak and get to the people that I'm trying to get to. Cause y'all don't hear me, y'all don't understand. Be all nice, professional. Oh, invest in the stock market. Go ahead and go right here and get you some dividends. Ain't nobody hearing that shit. Been seeing that shit for goddamn 2 years, and motherfuckers won't even goddamn download the motherfucking app. Now that's why I ain't even put the app, my links out there no more, or none of that no more. Cause y'all won't even download the app. I ain't put the links down there. Mother won't download the app. They'll watch the video. They might look with a little bit in the corner and be like, I don't know what they got going on, but I ain't getting into it. Man, there's so many ways. Okay? If you want to know, go ahead and message, hit the like button, share this, do something. That's the reason why I don't do it no more. Black folks don't support each other. Other people don't support each other. I think my mic a little too loud up in this guy, but we still gonna get it in. And you get no support and y'all here making 1,000 videos and the motherfucker ain't even download the app. I ain't got time for that. And that's why I ain't trying to teach. I'm just gonna just stunt and just talk shit now. Okay? Cause the whole teaching thing, we want you to get into the stock market. We want you to get into this investing. We want you to start your financial education, literacy, all that financial freedom chasing journey, and y'all playing games. Y'all don't want it. Y'all love working. Most folks apparently love working. They love when them bills keep coming. They love struggling. Let me buy a little 50 for these bills. No, man, you gotta get your money and make your money. And if you got kids, you really need to get in this game. Cause they ain't even for you if you old, motherfucker. You old, you stuck in your ways, and you love paying your bills from paycheck to paycheck. This ain't for you. I ain't for you. This ain't for you. Go ahead, keep paying your bills paycheck to paycheck and try to survive. But if you got them kids and you know something out there for you, you know that them folks get money and you might want to learn, figure out how. Don't get to it. They got books. I wouldn't say follow any and everybody, especially on social media, because it's a lot of scammers, a lot of fake motherfuckers that came and twisted up the game. That's one other reason why I don't get out here and do it no more. Everybody trying to be a financial. I ain't trying to be no financial advisor. I'm just trying to let you know where the money at. The money is here, and there's so many ways you can get it. But let's get back to it. Let me get to some educational more on this video right here. And that is how to make money in the stock market by trading options. And there's so many ways. Now, right now, we looking dangerous right now. Okay? We got the red arrows pointing down. And we got the blues right in front of her. What's she doing? She fighting. She fighting hard. It's 12:50. It's lunchtime. Usually at lunchtime, you're going to get a move to the up, move to the down. Lunchtime, you get kind of be trying to figure out what she want to do. She trying to, settle. She trying to figure out, if I'm finna pump, I'm finna go get it, or I'm not finna go get it. One way or the other. About that 1 o'clock-ish, she gonna move. Now, whether she move down or she move up, don't nobody know. Ain't nobody no expert. There's never financial advice. Just up here, just let you know what I'm doing, where my money is at, and if I can inspire or motivate somebody. I am the motivator, the educator, the options trader. Then maybe you go ahead and get into the stock market. Maybe you go ahead and do something for yourself and your family. Go ahead and invest for your kids. You put that money up for your kids when your kids little. When they get older, they gonna be bosses. Why are we not trying to make bosses? We sitting there telling our kids, let's go to work. Boy, you better go to work. You better go ahead and go to school and get them student loans, and so you can go to work and work hard forever. Oh, fuck that. If you know now, you can start buying your child, your little seed, especially if he a little baby, 5 years or younger. You can start putting 5 to 10% of your money into investing for your child into a custodial account. You can't touch it. The child can't touch it. Can't nobody come snatch it out. You can't say, no, look here, we on bad times, need to use your money to go ahead and get us through these hard times and the bills. No, that money in there. You take 5-10% of your money, put it in that account for your child when they're 5 years old, and you make the right moves. When that child becomes 18, you keep on doing it. You add more. You teach the child. Okay, look here. You started off with a little 500 when you was a little 5 years old. Now you got this, and now I'm adding this. Now you got your little job. Won't you add something to this? So when you hit 18, you be making boss moves, and you can make your child a millionaire with investing when they turn 18. So if your child 18 years old, they're a millionaire, you can tell them, look, get the hell out of my house. Let me get some of that money first, but then get out and live your life. Don't spend it all. You should know how to do it. I taught you all these years, and bam. But instead of we telling our kids, 18 years old, boy, you better go to the military. You better go and work that job and keep working hard. Man, fuck, y'all crazy. Let's change it up. Let's change it up. I'm here to change it up. Whether y'all like it or not, with it, it is what it is. Keep doing what you're doing, I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. But I'm chasing money. I ain't chasing hope, dreams, wishing somebody might not fire me. I done got fired. Man, what? You get fired from your job? That rent due? Them bills due? I'd have been there. And them folks don't play. They don't care. They don't care about your job. They don't care your supervisor is a hater. Don't know what they doing, or you know what I'm saying, you overslept, whatever it is. They don't care to yap out of that, homeboy. And they charge for everything now. You can't even get a crib no more without no good credit. You get your credit right, all that. But big moves made by Palantir, sitting at $17.83. I'm looking for Palantir to hit that 18.30, really past the 18.30. But if she hit that 18.30, she gonna be where I need to be, where I get my money for the day. Now I can take my money for the day. If she hit that 8.30, cash out, go home, good day. I can stay in it longer, sell a little few, leave some in there. There's so many ways. You know what I'm saying? It's just so beautiful that you can't have no one person controlling, telling you how to get your money. I can't sit here and say, man, you need to put that 5x5 options and drop it. When no, you might want to buy 100 of them motherfuckers. And when they get here, You might want to sell 5 of them and let the rest ride. You might want to sell them all and get out. Play it safe. Who knows? But it's so many ways. And it's called options trading. And it's pretty much betting that this stock, I'm gambling, I'm betting that Palantir is going to get past that 830 or touch that 830. And it should get past or touch that 830. I should have made a double up on my money. And I'm up out of there. I'm good for the day. I actually really slept and was trying to work on this live. And that's why, things don't be working right. I should have been out right here. This was the time I supposed to have been out. I should have been out today already. I made my mark. I didn't set it because I'm sitting there trying to get the camera right. I'm trying to get my shirt on, trying to make sure the light's right so I can try to motivate people. I messed up on my money. I ain't going to do that no more, too many more times this year. But you got to be on point if you're playing with the options because it can move. You can have, you see right there, it's up 200%. And then once that thing moves, you watch it. Watch that 200% going to change. It's going to go 100 and some percent. And that thing go 250. See right there, bam, now it's 180. You see? She moves fast. You can make thousands of dollars in minutes with options. So that's why, I like it. It's quick, fast. But fast money ain't all good money either. Sometimes you need to learn the basics. This is the advanced leveling of investing. This ain't the beginner level of investing. You can't just come in as a beginner, tell my option and just trade options and get 200% because old money coach said that. Nah, homeboy, you better learn it. You better go and buy you some regular stocks. See how them regular stocks flip first. You know what I'm saying? Learn the game, get in the system, know what you're working with, know what you're doing. Then once you know what you're doing, you get a little comfortable. Then you can practice. First, you can practice. So you know that you'll be more and more confident. You can sit here and practice on your options trading to see if you make 100 and something percent before you just jump right into it. Before you just put your money out there. Go ahead and play with it you can play with it 5-10 months if you want to while you're still learning. After them 5-10 months, you felt confident. You know what you got going on. You're making the right decisions. You know what I'm saying? You're putting your risk management in place. You're making sure you ain't finna burn all your money. Because you can burn all your money on the gamble because it's like gambling. When you talking about trading options, we only talking about trade options today. So you don't want to gamble and burn up all your money and be looking like a dummy. Okay? So learn to trade. Learn the stock market. If you do want to learn or know, I might got some links in the other videos. I might even put them down there, hit the message or something, but you can get Robinhood. You can get Weeble. You can get Moo. All those you can download. Some I'll give them to you for free. All of them, for free. But it's different apps. Some apps is different. See, like right now, I'm looking at old janky ass Robinhood. Now, straight up, I'm still at my feelings when Robinhood stopped me from making one of my biggest and most big trades when AMC and GameStop, because I was there. I was right there. I had thousands of dollars in the green. I'm trying to make more. I'm trying to bet more. And they like, nah, homeboy, you can't bet no more. He's looking kind of rough for us. We're going to lose some money. And that was a little janky shit. That was a little shiesty this came out in the market. So you got to know what's going on. You got to know who you dealing with. And I'm still rocking Robinhood. You know why? Because it's simple, it's fast. I put my money on there. I can get in the trade. I can get out of the trade real quick. And it's easy to show folks for some reason with Robinhood. You can kind of see it a little bit, better. Them other apps like this one right here, this is a trading view. This is just an assistant to the stock market. It's like a whole graph app pretty much. They give you all your graphs that let you know. Right here, you got the volume. If you know, it's the volume at 60 mil. Okay, you got the average volume. The 30-day average volume is at 44 mil. That's one of the reasons why I made this trade. The volume was going up. When you see a nice increase in the volume, that means that stock is more people is talking about it, more people selling it, more people buying it. Okay, so and that don't mean necessarily that volume go up, that the stock gonna go up. That means that it's a lot of momentum, a lot of pressure. You know what I'm saying? The pressure busts pipes. And that's what she's doing right now. She got the little pressure building up. Now she gonna bust. Now whether she gonna bust to the flow or she gonna bust up top. She bust to the flow, I'm low. She busts up top, I'm out. And at the same time, is if right now if you feel like, I don't want to risk that much, I can only gonna risk it till they get down to maybe 17 something, which I only might lose a little bit of my options trade, and then bam, when they get to that point, you sold. You still didn't lose too much. You set it on automatic, and you can forget it. I mean, not forget it, but the whole, trailing stop loss. It's man. That's what I'm saying. Each one of them things got to be broken down by itself in a way. But you can put it where you don't lose more than $50, for example. Once it hit that 50, and you lost $50, and you said that I'm only willing to lose 50, I'm up out of there. They're gonna kick you out, gonna sell you out, you're up out of there. And the same way with the going up, you can do it the opposite way. Now, say you in the money, say you looking good. You know what I'm saying? Your options trading is where you need to be. You in the green right now. You up 180 something percent, but you don't want to keep risking it. So you will put a trailing stop loss. That means it's gonna trail it. Maybe it might be like a little bit down there, but she gonna trail that guy. She gonna follow that guy to when she go up, and whenever she go down to a certain percentage, whether it's 5 or 10%, how much money you adjusted to, she up out of there. So she can keep going up, and she ain't gonna sell until she go back down to that 5 to 10%, $5, $10, $20. You can do it so many different ways. Then she up out of there. So you control. You don't let this thing control you. You control it. Okay, it's like a machine. It's like a car. This is a financial driving vehicle. You control it. You are the driver. You decide what you want to do. You want to be safe, you can be safe. You can buy dividends, safe stocks, ETFs, index funds. Play it safe. You don't want to know too much and learn all the other stuff. ETFs, like say you like a little bit of tech, you like a little bit of the AI, you like a little bit of Meta, but you like a little bit of Tesla, you like a little bit of that. They got combined stocks that's in one that'll put all that in one. That way you ain't got to be trying to buy 30,000 shares of Tesla, 30,000 shares of Apple, 10 shares of this, 100 shares of that. You can buy that one thing, and that one thing covering that whole sector. And they got so many different sectors. You want to cover the EV sector. They got EV ETFs, combined stocks in one. That way you ain't got to be trying to figure out what they got. Tech, medical, and you name it, they got it. But right now, Palantir, we on the live. Palantir is at 1780, and we trading options with the money coach, investor, graphic designer, veteran, hustler, entrepreneur, motivator. We in here on the live, watching that Palantir. But let's get into some news. Get a little news breakup for that Palantir to start making them big moves. All right, what's going on with the Palantir stock? All right, now Palantir stock, ticker symbol PLTR. Shares are trading higher amid overall market strength on Monday, and the stock is trending on social media. Now, with that social media trend, that's what the volume that I was talking about earlier. That give you that volume. That's why that volume was up there, almost a little bit less than double, but trying to get up to that double. Now, Palantir shares are climbing as the broader market rallies, and the S&P 500 closed at a nearly high on Friday. Now, Palantir hosted its most recent board meeting in Israel to support the solidarity with Israel. Okay, so they supporting Israel. Okay, I'm gonna leave that there because they be trying to block folks for stuff, and that is what it is, dog. But Palantir shares are climbing on a heavy trending volume on Monday, with half of the stock's average volume already traded in the session before. Okay, more than 30 million shares have been traded compared to the stock 100-day trading volume of 57. Okay, so that means a lot of selling, a lot of buying. When it's a lot of selling, a lot of buying, that means that it's a lot of pressure. It's like somebody keep on, they pulling you. You know, think of it as you in the middle of a tug of war, and that pressure of that tug of war is the volume. The more they pulling to the left, the more they pulling to the right, that volume increasing. I mean, the more he's selling, the more he wanted. The more he wanted, we left, we right. That volume building up, that means soon, sometime that volume build up, and they build up too much, she gonna bust. She gonna bust wide open. She gonna either go that way or this way. One way or another, she gonna do something strange for some change, and it's all on, is you gonna get the change? Or is you still gonna be on the sideline at work trying to figure out, man, these folks keep on, talking about investing. I don't even know nothing about that. Man, get in there. Get in there. What the hell you waiting on? Don't play with it. Test it out. You might like it, and you might not, because it ain't for everybody. It ain't for everybody. You might want to stay at home. You might like to work hard for your money. You might not like to see your money work hard, by itself. I like to see my money work on its own. You make money work for you. You don't work hard for the money. You make the money work for itself. You make that 500, make 750. You make that 500, make 750 again. Now you didn't put 500 to the side if you didn't call it. And you keep doing it. And then after you didn't got that 5 to the side, now you're going to put 1,000. Now you want that 1,000 to get you that 13, 14. Do it again. Do it again. You keep adding up. You keep moving your money and making your money. But this is options trading with the money coach. I'm up in here. And Palantir, she looking like she might want to fall. She might want to break. She might drop. She might drop. Below. And I don't know where she gonna go. But she in this little, I don't know what the fuck that was. Man, damn, I can watch my mouth. And a little triangle right there. That little flag. She might be flagging down, and she might bust up out of here and get to this point and say, you know what? I want to go to the moon. And she might go to the moon. She might drop down. But who knows? And that's where she at right now. She dropping. She at 16. She going to drop down to 15. She might even drop down to 10. What I'm going to do? That's my business, but so many different ways. When it get down to that 15, 14, 12, you might say, oh, it might just be temporarily. You might just add some more. Or you might have your stop loss to let you get you up out of there when it hit 14. Your 14 might have been your double up, your 20% gain. That's why you don't know. And even if we say right now, me and you, we live, and I say I'm finna buy some call options or some put options, cause she looking a little weak right now, right in this area. She looking a little weak, but I still think she's strong, especially leading up to the earnings call and the high volume, the momentum. That's what I'm playing. That's what I'm playing right now on the momentum, the volume, and leading up to the earnings call. And what is Palantir? You gotta know what you're working with. You know Palantir. You gotta know what the stock is. What is Palantir? The company. Hold on. Wait. What about the stock? Where the company at? But the company is it the? Okay, there she goes. She's down at the bottom. Palantir Holding is a company which engages in the development of data integration and software solutions. It operates through commercial and government segments. Okay, so we're talking about government and defense. And another reason why I did that, government defense, you see what's going on in the news. If you ain't watching what's going on in the news, you hear that we might be back over there where we was before. And you see we in everybody business. Like we ain't got our own problems. You think we don't need no defense? You think they ain't finna add no defense? China up there, cranking up stuff. North Korea every time we turn around, playing with nuclear missiles. And you think we not gonna add up on our defense? The United States, you got Biden up there looking like he can't even stand too long. And you think we ain't gonna work on our defense? We think we ain't gonna add up on them ships? Them troops just got hit? Yeah, okay. Yeah, you can think if you want to. But how they play the game, they gonna shake you, they gonna bake you. They ain't gonna, the stock is not gonna just go straight one way. If it just went straight up one way, everybody be rich how it is. They got the shakers and the bakers. That's what I like to call them. They shake off the fake and the weak motherfuckers. Okay? And when they do that, they got to go back and forth. And they got to do that whole, it might go down a little bit, might go back up again. Right here, we shaking out. So we got up here, everybody who gritty and was ready to get up out of there and was right on point, they got up out of there. I'm out. I ain't playing with you no more. They up out of there. And then some folks made some money on the way down. Right, even from right here, from this 1830, it was big money made. 1835. What's the high today? And if you was watching this stock and you seen Palantir, you could have been a Palantir hater and still made some money. You could have woke up this day, say, I'm a Palantir hater. I can't stand that motherfucking stock. I think she gonna drop. I'm a Palantir hater. Okay. And you seen when she made way up here, you had some signals. It's probably hit up the RSI, letting you know that she a little oversold at that time. And you like, oh yeah, I'm a hater. I don't like it. I know she ain't finna stay up in this 1830. You pulled you a put option. That means you betting the stock gonna go down. You betting she gonna drop to the floor and how low she go. And you was somewhere in here when you was ready. You put it in there at 9, right at the beginning. I don't know, the time is off, but and then when she hit down to this $17 within a matter of 30 minutes, that's a lot of percentage with the options. I can put it up and then pull all the numbers out, but we ain't finna go through all that. No, but pretty much from here to there, lamest terms, a lot of money could have been made and stop playing games. I'm finna end this live and watch my Palantir. She dropping down low. She might want to go to the floor. I ain't worried about it. I ain't scared. You know why? I got a plan. Make sure you have a plan. You can't just be going in blind. You can't just be going in thinking you just finna go ahead and get raw digging. You finna get 200% today. You finna do what it do. You gotta know. And there's a lot of haters out there that don't want you to get it. But it's so many ways and so easy to get it. It's simple as math. You got kids out here investing. And you telling me you can't learn it? Look, kids, you can just learn it by the stuff you like. If you only fuck with Apple phones, you an Apple man, invest in Apple. Not saying that's a good investment. Never financial advice on this show, but as an example of how you do it. Even if you a high class bougie motherfucker, you like Louis Vuitton, you like Hennessy. You ain't even know Hennessy and Louis Vuitton made by the same person. And they give you dividends. They pay you to invest in them. Yeah, y'all said that shit. They pay you to invest in them. Called dividends. They give it out to all the shareholders who rock with them, who put their money with them. They give you a little something back every once in a while. Called a dividend. So you bougie, you like the Louis Vuitton, you up there, you can even get dividends off of that. And that's the same company. While you sipping on that hen doggy dog, and you wearing that Louis V, same company. And what we love that hen dog. I got it right here. I can't even talk. I got it right here, but I know that they the same company. And they making money. And how many black folks talking about investing in Hennessy and investing in Louis V? But we rocking it, we wearing it, and we sharing it on the IG. Think about it. I'm the money coach who come with a different approach on y'all motherfuckers. New year, get in the game, or keep working and be lame. That is what it is. Options trading today. I might be back later on. It's 1 o'clock. I got some things I got to do. Definitely got to watch this money right here because she maneuvering. Like I said, she gonna bust low. She was looking weak. She gonna bust low. Money be made here. Money made there. Money made everywhere. Invest in yourself. Learn something. Do something. I'm gonna go keep on just talking my shit until we got some folks that's actually there, that's actually willing. I had a lot of folks hit me up all the time. Yeah, man, what's up there invested? Man, go ahead, show me something. Man, motherfucker, you ain't even got the app. You can't even invest if you had the money. If I gave you the plays right now, you wouldn't even be able to do nothing because you ain't even got nothing and you ain't trying to get nothing. The beast from the East, the money coach, the options trader, the motivator. And it's a little chilly up in here. But I'm blessed. And if you watching this, you blessed. And I'm up out of here. Because I had to mess the stream up. Anyway, I started with a different stream and ended up creating a new stream with this restream. And restream ain't acting right for me right now. I need to stop paying them folks. Hit my outro.